Hello everyone, welcome to watch JoinBase videos. In this videos, we demo how to use OIDBS to benchmark a MQTT broker. We just get the OIDBS from its GitHub repo release link. Then we get the external CSV data source from the timescale DB. So document website. Because this data set is large, so we have downloaded it before. Here we want to demonstrate the OIDBS can import any CSV or JSON format data source into a MQTT broker or JoinBase like MQTT database. We just go to the OIDBS director. Now we can just execute the command to get the help. We now should start a MQTT broker. Now we use the Mosquitto as an example. We first get the Mosquitto and Mosquitto client. Here we has installed it before, so we just start the Mosquitto. Okay, Mosquitto is started. Now we can do a simple test by Mosquitto client. We first start Mosquitto sub to sub a topic. We first change it to an example topic called /abc/t, yes, which now we use pub to send a message. You can see the Mosquitto sub received message. A is 1, B is 2, yeah. Okay, it's proof the Mosquitto broker is working. Let's start to import NYCT little data source into the Mosquitto broker. Here, one point, we need to provide a model's root environment variable to point to current director to make OIDBS to find the models. Now we just import data source. We can see the sub client has received message. The Mosquitto should forward from the benchmark tool to its subscript client. Here is what we want to benchmark against Mosquitto, which is a popular MQTT broker, and you can change to any other MQTT broker, including JoinBase. Okay, this is just an example. If you want to improve the importing performance and the concurrence, you should increase the number of data source file. We will answer any question in the project. Thank you.